Today, we welcome the customers from India to visit our factory and learn about our kitchen equipment specially designed for fast food restaurants and witness our professional manufacturing processes and high-quality standards during our visit. Additionally, our client has shown a keen interest in our innovative quotation system. This system is designed to streamline the quotation process, ensuring accuracy and efficiency, which ultimately benefits our customers by providing timely and precise quotations tailored to their specific needs. We look forward to building strong and lasting relationships with all our customers to ensure your complete satisfaction with our products and services.